Hi, I'm Lee McCauley, and in this video I'll be discussing strategies for maintaining muscle mass on the 1 meal a day diet and incorporating resistance training. Achieving and maintaining muscle mass whilst following the 1 meal a day diet and incorporating resistance training can be a challenging feat, but certain strategies can help. In this video I'll discuss some of the essential strategies for maintaining muscle mass on the OMAD diet. One of the most important strategies for building and maintaining muscle mass on the OMAD diet is to consume enough protein within the 2-hour window of your meal. Protein is essential for muscle growth and recovery, so ideally aim to consume a minimum of 0.7 to 1 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, tofu, beans, and eggs. Another crucial strategy for maintaining muscle mass on the OMAD diet is to incorporate resistance training exercises. Resistance training involves using weights or resistance to build and maintain muscle mass. It is recommended to perform resistance training exercises at least 2 to 3 times a week. Incorporating compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press, which work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously, can help maximize your workout efficiency. Adjusting your caloric intake is also important for maintaining muscle mass on the OMAD diet. It may be necessary to increase your caloric intake to support your energy needs and muscle growth. Use 1 meal movements features to ensure you are consuming enough calories to support muscle growth and recovery. Timing your meals is another important factor to consider when maintaining muscle mass on the OMAD diet. Consuming your meal immediately after a resistance training workout can provide your muscles with the necessary nutrients for recovery and growth. Consider consuming a protein shake or a small snack such as a banana or apple with peanut butter before you work out to provide energy and support muscle growth. Staying hydrated is also essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Aim to consume at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day to stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and reduced exercise performance. Finally, getting enough rest is crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Adequate sleep and rest between resistance training workouts can help prevent injury and improve muscle recovery. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and take rest days as needed to allow your muscles to recover. By implementing these strategies, it is possible to achieve and maintain muscle mass whilst following the OMAD diet and incorporating resistance training. However, it is important to consult with the professionals at 1 Meal Movement before beginning any diet or exercise regimen to ensure it is appropriate for your individual needs and health status. That is all for this video. In the next video, I will discuss optimizing athletic performance and recovery with the OMAD diet.